Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
In readiness for an inevitable post-oil economy, the government of Delta State is looking at building a knowledge-based economy that will be driven by the creativity of its citizens. To this end, the state recently organized a talent development summit for young Deltans in Asaba, the Delta State capital. Correspondent Lovely Ofigo was there.
The summit, organized by Delta State government through the Office of the Senior Special Assistant on Talent Development, was a convergence of Delta-born stars from diverse fields, including the arts, media, fashion, sports, and entertainment. The executive governor of Delta State, Senator Dr. AKUGHA, who was in attendance, expressed joy, reiterating the fact that young and budding talents would be inspired by the League of Extraordinary Talents present at the summit.
It gives room for discourse, it gives room for people to be able to appreciate those they see at the top. They become role models for them, and then they begin to work towards living their lives and trying to achieve that which the role models have achieved, or even try to surpass what they have done.
The Delta-born president of the Nigerian Football Federation, Amaju Pinnick, and ace broadcaster MAMODE AKUGHA insisted that investments and education were key to developing talents.
In Delta, we are usually blessed. The first thing that we need as a people is that of how to discover this talent. The second thing is how to nurture them to greatness.
The government too needs to retool and rethink its budgetary spending on the things they're spending on. Talent development, and when we're talking about talent, it's not just the arts or sports. It is entire education of the people, whether it's vocational education or what. So the government needs to think about that and develop people.
Other keynote speakers and panelists, including Richard Mofedamijo and Ufoma McDermott, urged young Deltans to be hardworking and embrace technology to advance in their chosen fields.
The first thing to do about harnessing your talent is to ensure that you are not lazy. Find something for your hand to do, and God will bless the work of your hands, and with that blessing, you can harness your talent.
Technology has redefined what a stage is. A stage is just where you are seen, or where people can see you on the other side, or they can look at you. Your stage has also walked away from the physical to your phone.
Participants at the summit expressed the desire to put to use principles shared by keynote speakers.
Today actually encouraged me more to keep doing what I'm doing, be consistent and persistent at what I'm doing.
Coming to the summit has really changed a lot of things, and by the time from this time next year, I know it's going to be a different story.
The Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Talent Development, Honorable Baba Ogude, was upbeat that there was hope for Deltans beyond oil, as talent is the new crude.
This is the first time we are hosting a talent development summit in Delta State. I want to assure you that we will take talent development very serious, because our oil may run dry, but our talent will never run dry.
Already, Delta State Governor Senator AKUGHA has committed to the annual hosting of the Talent Development Summit by the state government.
Inside the Niger Delta,